Good morning. All right, we're here. It's actually my neighbor. I actually live over there. We're going to be doing a soft wash on a metal roof. You can see mold on here. Nice, my neighbor's nice little log house here. Get around the trees. We got Miss Denise over here on her phone as normal. Denise, can you get to the back from the other way or what?
Yeah, there's a gate back there.
Okay. Yeah. Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
All right. Yep. So we're just going to be doing the roof. They don't want any of that stuff done. Not the shed or anything. Just the roof back here. This one's not. It's not too bad. But that's what we got going on. Take you along. All right. You smell it? No? Huh? Oh. I really can't see shit what I'm doing. I really can't see what I'm doing. We watching TikTok? What you doing, TikTok?
Oh, yeah.
You like TikTok or Facebook? Which one you like better? Yeah. Come on, get off me, B. I'm on the ladder. All right, let's do it. Check my shoes for dog poop. All right, so pretty much done here. Let it do its thing, and then we'll go ahead and rinse it off with water, neutralize everything, and that'll be it for this one. Like I said, this is my neighbor. It took me like 2.5 seconds to get here. All right. I just had to pressure wash front of that shed real quick for her. She finally woke up, Miss Carol. And I got this all nice and clean. Got it nice and clean so the HOA lady don't bother anybody.
Where'd she go? Oh, she got the top.
And that's it, man. That's how we do it. Till the next time. That's what's up.